Hey guys, it's KiaTache. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. I'm so excited about today's video. Well, I'm excited about every video I do, but today's video is really special. This is another unboxing and reveal of a Louis Vuitton piece that I got, except this piece is special because it's a really hard to get item right now, and I've been trying to get this piece. And like I said, it's been sold out online. It's just been really hard to get, to find in stores, but I finally got it and I'm so excited to share it with you. So let's just get right to it. Alright, so inside the bag is the box and some perfume samples, which I think that there are also some more in this box, but here's some perfume samples. I got California Dream and Atrepeves, whatever it's called, whatever. We're not doing this pronunciation game today. And then my receipt. Okay, so excited to open this up. So let's just go for it. And I love how they I love how she, as in my sales associate, SA or CA, client advisor, whatever you want to call it. I love how she wrapped it. Her name is Danielle, and I got this from the Louis Vuitton located in Clear Fork of Fort Worth, Texas. And that is one of the Louis Vuitton locations that I go to. I usually go to Louis Vuitton Dallas and North Park Mall, sometimes Galleria in Dallas, and sometimes Clear Fork. But today I went to Clear Fork and I've been so excited to get home to shoot this video. I had to throw some makeup on my face because I was looking real rough today. I didn't want to get behind it. Okay, we don't need to get too long. I just get to the video. Okay, so opening the box, taking the pretty ribbon off. Alright. And excuse my hair, y'all. I need my hair done. I'm getting it done tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Woo! Wait, y'all, give me a second. I just opened the box and like I can't describe what just took over right now. Like, it's just pure joy. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try this again. So, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so extra in almost every video, but I can't help it. I really can't help it. Okay, here is the bag, and here are some more samples. I can't even speak proper English, and I'm an English teacher. That's how you can tell I'm so excited right now. So I have a total of 4 samples. The SA or CA was really sweet. Again, her name is Danielle, and she is at the Fort Worth location, the Louis Vuitton in Clear Fork. She was really sweet. She gave me 4 samples, and she gave my mom 2 samples because I got something for my mom too, which I may add at the end of this video just to show y'all what I got for her. If not, then you can catch it in another video. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Anyway, back to this. So here she is. Oh my gosh, I'm about to cry. And the classic monogram. Oh my god, look at her. Let me get up because y'all gotta see. I know y'all saw this bag millions of times before, but y'all ain't never seen me with this bag. So anyway, here she is. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm not going to do what fits inside or anything like that. This is just the unboxing and reveal and me sharing my excitement with you. I'll do a separate video of how I style it and what fits inside. But this is the Palm Spring Mini. It retails for $1,990 before tax. It comes with 2 straps. So inside are the 2 black straps, and then there's a little carrying booklet, which is really cute, handy. Obviously the dust bag, I just took out the dust bag, and then like the regular stickers that come with all of your Louis bags. And then let me just take those out. Okay, and then there's the inside of the bag, and then so it comes with 2 straps. So you can wear this bag as a backpack, which I probably won't ever, I mean, I will use it as a backpack, but it'll be very rare that I do. I'm going to use it mostly for a crossbody. So on the back of the bag, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 D-rings. And then you can just connect the straps to make it on like this, like so. Let me just show you really quick. I don't even know if I'm putting these on right because I'm so excited. I can't even contain myself right now. Whoops. Whoops. See what I mean? So excited. Okay. Again, I don't know if I put them on the right side or whatever. I'm just giving you a quick look of how you put them on. So you just attach the hooks to the D-rings, and then there's the backpack, and obviously you can adjust the straps to fit your body and your needs. But so here is the, ooh, this is really low, I would have to, but yeah, here's the backpack, and this is how it looks worn as a backpack. If I do wear it as a backpack, it's going to be like to go to the amusement park, to go to take the kids to the zoo, Disney World, like, you know, that type of thing. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. But for the most part, I want to wear it as a crossbody. But yeah, that's really cute. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so let's take it off. So I'm just like unhooking these now. I'm just going to take one off like this because you'll need one to wear it as a crossbody. Set that down. Didn't really set it down, I kind of just threw it, but whatever. So then to wear it as a crossbody, you just put it on the top 2 D-rings as so. So just like that, and then it turns into a crossbody like this. Then you just put it on. And this is more of a sporty vibe. I really like this look because it's real sporty and cozy and comfy, like I said. Sorry, excuse me. Let me make sure I don't got no extra stuff going on. But yeah, so this is really cute. And this actually looks really cute with my outfit today. I have on my Balenciaga sneakers with just some biker shorts and a graphic tee. And this look, I like this look. It looks really like sporty and cool and comfy, cozy, whatever, just to be on the go. But yeah, when I wear this bag, it's going to be mostly worn this way as a crossbody. Show you how it looks. And then you can also wear it over the shoulder like this. That's cute too. I'll be wearing it this way. And you can also wear it as a top handle like this, or without the strap, which I think is kind of dumb, but to each their own. So you can do it like that. But yeah, this bag is just so adorable. It is so cute. This bag comes in 3 different sizes. It's a Palm Spring Mini, which is this one, the MM and the PM. Okay, then it has this little front pocket zipper right here. If I can get it open. Wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. It's just a little tiny compartment there. And then, so they remade this bag. It used to be to where this part like covered up the zipper, so you had to like fold it back to get in. But now they give you easier access to where the zipper is like shown. So yeah, and then on the inside, there's another little pocket in here. Don't know if you can see, just a little slide-in pocket right there. It's not zippered. I just love mini bags, and this is just so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got my hands on this, y'all. When I tell y'all, I've been, you know, actually who made me want this bag, Jenny Day. Her channel is Jenny Day, so shout out to Jenny. If she ever sees this, which I doubt, but if she does ever see this, Jenny, you inspired me to want this bag. Before I was like, I don't want any backpacks, but I didn't know that you can wear it as a crossbody too. So I learned that, and now I love it. But again, it's cute to wear as a crossbody. I mean, as a backpack also. But I'll just not be doing that unless I absolutely need to, like for, you know, what I just said earlier. And then after I get tired of this bag, I'm going to pass it down to my daughter, who is now 3 years old. So this would be a cute little backpack for her. But yes, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love you. Yes, I do. Okay, yeah, anyway. So there it is, my Palm Spring mini. So freaking cute. Y'all, I really can't believe this is in my hands right now. Like, if you know, you know. If you are a Louis lover like me, then you know this is a hard to get bag. It's really hard to get. I walked into the store today. Something said, let me just go in and try. And I went in and tried. She said, how can I help you today? What are you looking for? I said, I'm pretty sure you don't have it, but I'm looking for it. She said, actually, we do have it. I said, take me right to it, ma'am. And she did. And so here we are. That's not really the exact dialogue, but you know. I'm just so excited, guys. She's so cute. Look at her. So cute. All right. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to share this with y'all. And again, I'm so excited. I'm going to do a what's in my bag for the Palm Spring edition, or what fits inside, actually, rather, because I usually carry the typical same things in my bag. But I'm going to do what fits inside to show you what fits inside. I don't know when I'm going to film that, but I'll have it coming to you soon. If you are interested in seeing that, just give this video a thumbs up so I'll know, or comment below and let me know. And pretty soon I'm going to do a luxury bag collection, so you can see all of the luxury bags I have right now in my current collection, which I'm not nowhere near done, but you can see what I have thus far. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching, and sorry for all the extraness, but if y'all been watching my channel, you know this is not a surprise. But yes, I'm just so excited. Alright, if you want to know anything else about this bag, leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you, or I'll do another video answering all your questions. But stay tuned for the what fits inside this bag. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I love y'all. See y'all next time.